Class 1 IMO Olympiad 2018 Set B previous paper. We will discuss the previous paper. 21st question. Priyansh has 7 monkeys, 5 deers and 8 rabbits in his farmhouse. The total number of animals in his farmhouse is, here 7 monkeys, 5 deers and 8 rabbits. 7 plus 5 plus 8. 7 plus 5. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 8. 12 plus 8 means after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, which is the correct option here? B is the correct option. Sonam has 2 combs. The total length of both combs is, this comb has how many arrows? Here, this one is from here to here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 arrows in this. This one is from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 4 plus 5. How many units? 9 units. So, A is the correct option. Next question. Vrinda bought this much red chilies and this much green chilies. Chilies of which color did she buy more and by how much? Here, how many chilies are there? How many red chilies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 red chilies. And green chilies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So, how many more? 19 minus 13. 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, which is more? Green. Green by how much? 6. So, A is the correct option. Next one, Niharika wants to buy the given items. The total amount of money she needs is, here this one is 65 rupees and this one is 30 rupees. So, total 65 plus 30. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 3, 9. So, 95 rupees 95. C is the correct option. Next question. If this weighs this much, then the weight of 2 such paint buckets is dash kilogram. Here, this one is 1 kilogram. So, how many kilograms in one bucket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. One paint bucket is 12 kilogram. So, 2 such paint bucket, that is 12 plus 12. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 24 kilogram. So, 24 kilogram, that is 4 more than 20, that is 24 kilogram. So, B is the correct option. This is 4 less than 20, that is 4 less than 20 means 20 minus 4, that is 16. Here 3 more than 19, 3 more than 19 means 20, 21, 22. 3 less than 24, that is 21. So, which is the correct option here? 4 more than 20, that is 24. Next question. Radhika sold 13 muffins on Monday, 16 muffins on Tuesday and 10 muffins on Saturday. She sold dash muffins in all the 3 days together. So, we have to calculate the total number of muffins that he sold. That is, we have to add these three, 13, 16, 10. We have to add. So, 6 plus 0, 6 plus 3, 9. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 39. C is the correct option. Next question. Sneha has some flowers and ice creams as shown here. Number of flowers is dash ice creams. Number of flowers is dash ice creams. Number of flowers is more than. More than. How much? One more than ice creams. So, more than. A is the correct option. Cost of eraser is rupees 6. Cost of pencil is rupees 5. 5 more than the cost of eraser. Find the total cost of both the items. So, cost of eraser is 6. Cost of pencil is 5 more than erasers, means 6 plus 5. That is 6 plus 5 is after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 11. Cost of eraser is 6. So, total 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 1, 17. So, rupees 17. B is the correct option. Next question. Nisha and her 3 friends decided to have a party the day after tomorrow. If yesterday was Thursday, then on which day of the week will they have party? So, the party the day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. If yesterday was Thursday, so yesterday Thursday, today was Friday. Today Friday. Tomorrow Saturday. Then party the day after tomorrow, that is Sunday. So, C is the correct option. Anya had how many cans? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If she drank 2 and gave 5 to her friend, then dash are left with her. She drank how many? 2. So, we have to count these 2. Then she gave how many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, left with her is how many cans? 5 cans. So, C is the correct option. Next question. If train equal to 22, joker plus 10 equal to train, and train plus joker plus 11 equal to cycle, then cycle equal to. So, we have train equal to 22. So, we have to do like this. Joker plus 10 equal to 22. So, joker equal to 22 minus 10. That is 22 minus 10 means 12. So, joker is 12. This is 22. This is 12. Plus 11 is a cycle. So, 22 plus 12 plus 11. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 45. So, A is the correct option. Next one. Consider the given figures and select the incorrect statement. Here, watermelon. Watermelon is how many kilograms. Here this is not kilogram, gram. So this is 300, this is 600, then 700, 800, 900. So this is 700 gram. Pineapple is 800 gram. Then pumpkin is 1000 gram. 1000 gram. So pineapple is the heaviest. Is it correct? No, heaviest is the pumpkin only. So incorrect statement is this one only. Both pineapple and pumpkin are heavier than watermelon. This is 700. So these two are heavier than pumpkin. That is 800 and 1000 are heavier. Pumpkin is heavier than pineapple. Pumpkin is heavier than pineapple. And watermelon is lighter than pineapple. That is correct. Watermelon is the lightest and pumpkin is the heaviest. That also correct. So incorrect statement is first one. A is the correct option. Next question. Raghi has rupees 320. Which of the following items can she buy? Here 30, here 20 rupees, 40 rupees, 35. 6 packet of chips. Chips 40. So 6 40s. Then 2 juice packet means 220. 1 notepad means 35. So how much this? 640 means 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40. Or we have 6 fours. 6 fours are 24. Or we have to add this all. 0, 4 plus 4, 8, plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 240. Then 220. So 40. Then 35. 5. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1. What carry over? 1 plus 2, 3. 315. 350. Then 5 juice packs. 5 juice packs means 5 30s. 5 3s are 15. So 150. Or we have to add 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. 5 times 30. That is 150. 150. Then 3 crayons. 3 crayons means 20 plus 20 plus 20. That is 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 20, 60. So 150, 60. Then 4 notepad. 4 notepad means 35 plus 35 plus 35 plus 35. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 20, 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 0, 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 2 plus 1, 3. 350. 3 packets of chips. 3 packets of chips means 340. 340 means 40 plus 40 plus 40. That is 120. 4 juice packets means 4 30s. 4 30s means 120. 1 notepad means 35. So 120 plus 120 plus 35. That is 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 2. 275. Then this one is 4 notepads. 4 notepad means 4 35s. 35 plus 35 plus 35 plus 35. Then 3 crayon box. 20 plus 20 plus 20. Then 5 packets of chips. 5 40s. 5 40s means 5 fours are 20. So 200. Here 200. So 0, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 22. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 2 20, 2 plus 2 4, 400. So she has only 320. So she can buy less than or equal to 320 rupees. So which options she can take? C. C is the correct option because 275 is less than 320. 320. 275 is less than 320. Next question. Identify the number. It comes before 34. It comes before 34 but after 27. So it is in between 27 and 34. Difference of its digits is greater than 2 but less than 4. Greater than 2 but less than 4. So 27, in between 27 and 34, here 30, 31, 32. These three comes. Greater than 2, the difference of its digit, that is 3 minus 0, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 0 is 3. Greater than 2 means not this one, not this one. So 3. Less than 4. So which is the correct option here? 30 is the number. Next question. Last one. Arrange the following in descending order. Which is descending order? Descending means greatest to smallest. That is the descending order. 60 ones means 60 and 7 ones means 7. So this is 67. 9 tens means 90. 8 ones means 8. So this is 98. 8 tens means 80. 9 ones means 9. 80 plus 9, 89. 7 tens means 70. 6 ones means 6. 76. So we have to arrange it from greatest to smallest. Which is the greatest one? This 98. So that is Q. Q. Then which is the greatest here? R. 89. Then S. 76. Then P. Then P. Q, R, S, P. Which is the correct option here? B is the correct option. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe for my channel for more such sessions. Thanks for watching.